Hey, what's up, YouTube, Facebook? I'm James Bill, and before we get started today, I'd like to do a little housekeeping. So go ahead and click on that big red button there and subscribe to my channel, because I will definitely be coming back with more tips and strategies for you. Guys, what I want to speak on today is the number one thing that all successful entrepreneurs know and are doing. And it's very simple in this business. They say, keep it simple. It's true, guys. But the number one thing that all entrepreneurs, successful top earner entrepreneurs, are doing in this business is simply working hard daily, guys. They're doing this daily. Every day they're taking some type of action, and they're either emailing their list, they're promoting, they're educating themselves through personal development. It's a daily chore. That's the number one secret to being successful online. Thank you. And if you got value out of this, go ahead and subscribe. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and click on the link below for more great training, tips, and strategies. Thank you. Have a good day.